Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the penguin ability in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This penguin is one of the new pets from the Christmas update, and before I show you the ability of this pet, I'm going to show you how you can get the penguin. If you want to get this pet, you can go to the Christmas shop right here. I'm going to visit the Christmas shop and then we can scroll down and you can buy the penguin from here guys. And if I'm not mistaken, it cost 500 million shekels. Okay, and this is the ability of the penguin. Okay, basically it can apply the Arctic Mutation. Wait, I'm going to place it on my garden. I have already placed a penguin guys, sorry. Okay, I'm going to view it and let's see the ability guys. This is one of the mythical pet, and yeah, it can give the Arctic Mutation. Okay, and yeah, I think it's good, especially we have a quest or mission to get the Arctic Mutation, right? I'm going to go to the guide and let me open the mini achievement. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, we need to complete a mission or quest to get the Arctic Mutation. As you can see, harvest 25 Arctic mutated plants. So you need to have penguin in your garden to complete the quest. Okay guys, and that's all about the penguin pet and grow a garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.